Hey guys, on this episode we start off in Bermagui. It's got a lot of really cool natural pools. We then drive through Tathra and end up in Merimbula. It's known for its whale watching, amazing beaches. It's got a lot of really cool spots, so please give it a watch. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe. It really means a lot to us. Cheers guys, we appreciate it.
It's a good sign. You might see a whale. Oh, it's Can he still backflip? He is an old man. Let's see. Watch out for Birdie. Come here, Bubba. You! Ah! Get him!
It's making me sleepy. Been in the sun, been swimming. It's just beaches everywhere.
It's like country. Look, there's cows. Those cows have a better view than we get.
They're not us, we get fish.
We get.
Better than half the city time.
Wow, look at this. Coming into Tathra.
We're about to go over a bridge, Jack.
Ready.
You like it here, Kaiser? The new spot? Favourite park, Jack?
It's awesome.
Jack.
We're just walking down to the beach here at Merimbula. There's a caravan park we're staying at, and have a look at this. It is stunning and so quiet.
Should have brought the drone.
It doesn't fly, right?
Might be able to out there.
I doubt it.
Where's the airport? We're just walking along Merimbula Beach. It's absolutely amazing. And just up here, tracks that you can walk. There's a lagoon actually on the other side of this, so we might go check it out.
Look at this beautiful water. So pretty.
Right.
Papa finally got us here. What would you say you would do if you found the beach whale? I'd bicep curl him to the shore.
I'll skull crush him.
That'd be funny. R.I.P. you little buddy. I'm so sad.
I love it. I'm glad we came here. Out for our anniversary, so we've come somewhere very nice. We just ordered some cocktails. Very excited. We're gonna get martini.
Menu.
It's a seafood restaurant. The seafood, we eat it.
What's like Homer does like and he's under the sea, under the sea. Friendly crustaceans under the sea.
There'll be no accusations.
Just friendly crustaceans
Under the sea. Fun. How is it, Spud? Oh, hey, Dad! Go!